CiaraQ sent me their 60 color polymer clay starter kit, and this one is their bigger set at 4.7 pounds of clay. Let me show you everything that comes in the box and walk you through why this is such a well put together kit. If you have been looking for a clay kit that gives you a seriously wide color range, enough clay to actually make things, and all the tools included so you can get started right away, this is worth your full attention. You get 60 individually wrapped blocks of polymer clay. Each block is wrapped separately to keep the clay fresh and prevent the colors from picking up lint or dust before you are ready to use them. The total weight is 4.7 pounds, which is a generous amount of clay, especially compared to smaller starter kits. Alongside the clay, you get sculpting tools and a storage box that keeps everything organized between sessions. That storage box is a practical detail that a lot of craft kits skip, and it makes a real difference when you have 60 colors to keep track of. The 60 colors cover a really impressive range. You get bright primaries, soft pastels, deep jewel tones, and metallic-looking shades. So there is a color for virtually any project you can think of. The texture is soft and non-sticky straight out of the wrapper. It warms up quickly in your hands and blends smoothly when you want to mix colors together to create custom shades. That blending ability effectively gives you even more than 60 colors to work with. The formula is gluten-free, BPA-free, and free from phthalates, which matters for anyone buying this for children. This is oven-baked clay. You sculpt your piece, bake it at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, and it comes out hardened and permanent, with the colors staying vibrant and true after baking. It works for jewelry, figurines, ornaments, keychains, and really anything creative you want to make. Follow along for more honest reviews like this one.